Hello, I'm Ken Adams. I'd like to thank you for this opportunity to share with you the importance of having an experienced real estate professional like myself assist you when purchasing a home. Having lived in the Clarksville-Fort Campbell area for over 12 years, I love my community and all that it has to offer. I'm married and have 3 children, and I know what it means to make a move. Our team system makes your move easy, desirable, but most of all, fun. My desire is to put you in control. No more overpaying for the home you want. No more countless hours searching. We offer you priority access to the hottest new homes. You pick the ones you want to see, drive by them first, or call us for personal viewings. In addition, for your peace of mind, we offer our buyers a unique 18-month buyer satisfaction guarantee. It simply works like this. If you're not happy with your home during this period, we'll sell your home for free, saving you thousands of dollars and ensuring your happiness. Home buyers like yourself deserve the best real estate professional available. It may come as a big surprise to most that 90% of the real estate sold in this country is sold by the top 10% of real estate agents. There are continuous changes in the real estate marketplace, so it is imperative to select an experienced agent to ensure a smooth transaction. As a realtor, my goal is to guide you through all the aspects of buying your home. A common mistake made by many home buyers is to immediately start shopping for homes without pre-qualifying with a lender. By pre-qualifying, you can assure sellers that you have the resources necessary to purchase their home. Sellers are more likely to accept an offer from buyers that have already been pre-approved for a loan. I have developed relationships with the most reputable lenders who offer the lowest rates while providing my clients with the most reliable financing options available. The next step in buying your new home is finding a location that is right for you. Keep in mind what neighborhoods you would like to be in, as well as what schools, places of worship, and shopping centers that will be nearby. You may even want to drive around the general area where you plan to purchase a home. Once we've found the home that's right for you, I will prepare a comparative market analysis, also known as a CMA, to determine if the home is priced correctly. As your realtor, I will then provide you with an expert opinion of the property's value, keeping your best interest in mind. Based on this information, I will help you establish a realistic offering price to be presented to the seller. The offer will include price, financing terms, and any other contingencies concerning the inspections or appraisals to be completed by licensed professionals. As your realtor, I will guide you from contract to closing by working directly with mortgage brokers, inspectors, appraisers, real estate attorneys, and other professionals necessary to secure a smooth transaction. The final step is the closing. Once an agreement has been negotiated, the next step is to make sure all the details for the closing have been completed. There are numerous legal documents and reports that are required by law to be completed accurately before transferring ownership of a property to you. As your real estate agent, helping you buy a new home becomes my #1 priority. By working together, I'm confident we'll find the best location for the best price. If you're looking for a house to become your home, or looking to start or add to your real estate portfolio, I know my team of professionals represent the best this area has to offer. Once again, my name is Ken Adams, and I look forward to meeting with you soon and adding your name to my list of satisfied clients. Thank you.